Guys, we're at the Loki Thor booth with Joe. What do you got, brother?
I have the Loki Thor AW401. It is what we call the 5-in-1. So it is a jump starter that's 2,500 amps, an air compressor that's 150 psi, a power bank, a 500 lumen flashlight, and most importantly, a 200 psi pressure washer.
What?
So you stick this in a bucket or a lake when you're out dry camping or somewhere where you can't get access to water, and you're able to shower, clean out the dog, the kids, whatever you need to do.
Wow. So it jump starts cars and is a pressure washer.
Yeah, and fills up your tires or anything else you need to compress air with.
Okay, cool.
Get them for it.
Perfect. Cool. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it.